Hi, I'm Dick Glass. This is a 1972 BMW 3.0 CS. I've had this car since about 8 years ago. I bought it online and I never saw it in person until it arrived. We've done a lot of work to it. It's been kind of a restoration project, repainted and replaced some of the trim pieces and things like that. It also has a non-standard 5-speed manual transmission that gives me an overdrive capability that's nice on the highway. Has a modern air conditioning compressor, and apart from that and the kind of rare Alpina wheels, it's pretty much a stock car.